Hey guys, let's make this really easy moist vanilla chocolate chunk mug cake in under 5 minutes. So you start by heating 4 tablespoons of flour in the microwave in short intervals. This should take about 45 seconds to a minute and a half depending on the wattage of your microwave. Mine is 700 watts, so I heated the flour in 15-second intervals for a minute and a half. In a microwave safe mug, add your flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and about a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Don't forget a pinch of salt for balance. And then mix everything until nice and smooth. Stir in half of your chocolate chunks, that's a mouthful, and sprinkle the rest on top for that melty chocolate goodness. Microwave that for about a minute and 20 seconds and then let it cool for a few minutes, and you can add your favorite toppings, maybe some ice cream, whipped cream or custard. Then dig in and enjoy while it's still warm. Let me know down below if you try this, if it works, or if you have any tips. Bye.